Do you stick your marshmallow right in the center of the campfire and let it burn until it's little more than a pile of ash? Do you lose patience and end up trying to squeeze a still solid and totally white marshmallow between two graham crackers? Are you putting garbage chocolate next to perfectly toasted mallows? Then you're doing s'mores wrong. Okay. Obviously we're not here to yuck anybody's yum, so stop freaking out. If you prefer to eat a vaguely spherical orb of carcinogens, if that appeals to you, then you do you. If you like your marshmallows to crunch as much as your unmelted chocolate and graham crackers, then far be it from me to force you to bite into something gooey and delicious. And if you like milk chocolate with wax in it, then have at it. But if you're after that perfectly caramelized, golden, crispy on the outside, warm and gooey on the inside marshmallow that puffs to 3 times its size and melts chocolate like magic, but you just haven't mastered the technique yet, then you're just doing it wrong. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So for starters, we're vegan here at Terra Drift. So we're using Dandy's vegan marshmallows, our absolute favorite. They're not even sponsoring this video. Plus vegan chocolate and honey-free graham crackers, thus proving the adage, anything you can eat, I can eat vegan. But these rules for s'mores work with any old mallows, chocolate, and grahams, though the higher quality your individual parts, the better the end result is gonna be. Just saying. So, you have your ingredients, your fire, your roasting stick, a copious amount of napkins to clean up the sticky mess you're about to become. So let's get into it. And yes, I have consulted with actual food scientists on this, so yeah, I know what I'm talking about. First of all, make sure your mallow is on your stick securely, okay? Basics. I like to skewer it with both prongs if I can manage it, because if you do just one, when this thing's insides turn to molten sugar, it's just gonna spin and prevent you from roasting evenly, which is basically the worst. And then it will probably fall off into the dirt, which is a shameful waste of a marshmallow. So double stab that bad boy. Then resist whatever twisted urge you have to just plunge your mallow directly into the center of the fire. It's gonna catch on fire, burn to a crisp, and then you're just eating char and chocolate. Gross. Instead, hover that sucker a few inches from the hot coals and keep it there for like 3 to 5 minutes, slowly rotating the whole time to make sure it gets evenly toasted. Yeah, 3 to 5 minutes seems like a long time when you just want to scarf an obscene amount of sugar in like 3 bites, but do you want to enjoy that obscene amount of sugar or not? That's what I thought. Doing it this way ensures the inside gets nice and warm and melty before the exterior burns. The heat will be expanding air pockets and doing all kinds of goodness to sugar molecules and generally turning the whole mallow into a puffy sphere of magic. When that happens, say when your mallow doubles in size, thereabouts, then you can move it closer to the tops of the flames, but not too close. I mean, seriously. Do you want it to burn? Keep it where the flames are barely touching the mallow and continue to rotate it as it starts to turn golden brown. That's the Maillard reaction happening for those of you who are into cooking or food science. It basically means the heat is developing not only that perfect golden deliciousness, but developing more complex flavors too, a nice toastiness. This should only take a minute or two. Then, when your marshmallow is all kinds of puffy and golden, move it back to the base of the fire, but a bit closer this time, and rotate it for just maybe half a minute. Cook time will vary, of course, depending on your fire, until it caramelizes and turns a nice light brown. Flavor amplified. Sure, it might get a couple burn spots, but that's okay. Then, turn to your prepared ingredients, and yes, you should absolutely have your other ingredients prepped and ready to go. I mean, even if it's only cool outside, never mind cold, that mallow is gonna cool down fast. And do you want a solid block of chocolate between your mallow that isn't hot anymore? I didn't think so. Speaking of chocolate, as much as I love dark chocolate, it doesn't do as well on s'mores because it doesn't have as much cocoa butter. That means it doesn't melt as easily. So if melty is what you're after, go for a milk chocolate or a vegan version of milk chocolate. Or And sit down for a minute because I'm about to change your life. Ditch the crappy chocolate filled with wax and reach for a peanut butter cup instead. Holy balls. I gotta thank my parents for introducing this one to me at a young age, but I gotta say, if there aren't peanut butter cups, I like the ones from Jason's or Unreal. I don't even want a s'more. Seriously. The combination of melted chocolate and warm peanut butter and gooey crispy marshmallow and crunchy graham cracker, oh, just be still my heart. Trust me, you're never gonna go back. But back to the point, when your mallow is toasted, take your grams, one of which is already stacked with your chocolate of choice, and slide that molten sugar bomb on top using the other gram. And voila, the perfect s'more. Yeah, I know my graham crackers are tiny, but Natural Grocers only had the vegan gluten-free version, so this is what I got. Now, did it take me more than 30 seconds to prepare? Yeah, it did. Is it worth it? I think once you have a taste that you'll agree. Yeah, it is. Besides, are you a Neanderthal who can't wait an extra 4 minutes for food that's actually cooked and tastes good? Anyway, it's audience participation time, so let us know if A, you finally gave patience a go and tried this method and will never go back, and B, how'd you like your s'mores? You use fudge-covered grahams instead of regular crackers? Slap jam in there? Use, I don't know, hazelnut spread? Whatever, man, I want to hear about it. And while you're down there, hit that thumbs up and ring the bell and hit subscribe. It really does help our channel grow, possibly more than you know. My fire's going out. Don't do that, fire. I need you. And what the heck, share it with your friends while you're at it. Then follow us on all the socials. We're at TerraDrift on Insta and Facebook mostly, but also Twitter from time to time. Then catch even more outdoorsy content like gear guides on TerraDrift.com. And I don't know, watch some of these other videos. If you liked this one, learn about all the other stuff you're probably doing wrong. What an educational evening it'll be. Then roast a better marshmallow for a better s'more. Wander on.